If you still haven't figured it out by my face, then somebody did not let me sleep last night. Just like the other 2 nights. I have a guest, not a guest, a new family member at my place. And this video is just for her. It's gonna be her montage. And also, towards the end of this video, if you're still watching till the end, please, if you're convinced enough that indie dogs are just as any other dogs who are of a different breed, they are just the same. There are many more indie dogs up for adoption. One of my friends, he is also fostering 6 of the indie puppies. So I will put their images, I will put his contact number in the end of the video and in the description as well. So please, if just in case you guys want to add another family member, adopt one of those indies, please do contact him. And anyway, let's go. I'll directly show a montage क्योंकि नींद तो हुई नहीं है तो मैं अभी सो लूँगा, बट अभी भी सोने देगी नहीं. She literally cuddles up on my head and sleeps over here at night, or else in my arms. And suddenly 2-3 a.m. she'll get up, she'll have these energy bursts in which she'll either jump everywhere or go to the balcony and leave such a big poop, and that I have to clean in the morning. Let's just introduce you guys to her now, bus. Meet Hope. Oh, good morning. उई, अरे ये भी चबा रहा है. नहीं भाई, सभी चबा लो मुझे. अरे so many toys you have. Why you want this? अरे ये That's my pillow. That's my pillow. You chose.
It's stuck.
Huh?
नीचे दिखना हो.
She's not stuck. You are holding her. Squeezed out. Okay, look at this hypocrite. Arey, she told me not to feed her from your own plate, and now she's doing the same thing.
Shut up.
Shame on you. Those eggs are for you. दोन पायर उभे राहून धावे ना त्या गाणे. No. No. Look at me. Look at me. No biting. No. No. Okay. Hey, chaddi. Yes, sword. Also, if you're wondering why did I name her Hope, she's one of the puppies who were rescued by us, and You know, when we lost all our hopes, she was the first puppy I saw. And yes, I chose her because of her eyes. If you manage to notice that glow in her eyes, even you'll fall in love with her. She directly looks into your soul and your heart for some reason. Her eyes are that magical. But yeah, her poop is also that stinky. I guess that's just a small price to pay for those beautiful eyes.
What? What? अरे अरे अरे
ये
Hey guys, I hope you liked the video, and as I mentioned earlier, I will be showing the images of the puppies who are still left for adoption, who are still in a foster home. So I'll be rolling that out now. So please, if you do really want to get a dog, adopt. And I'll just show you the images now.